Students, today we are going to find out the relationship between the nearest neighbor's distance d, edge of the unit cell A, and radius of atom R for pure elements. For that, you have to remember number one for simple cubic unit cell, simple cubic unit cell. Now, in case of simple cubic unit cell, you have to remember that the circles or the spheres, they touch each other, just like this. And the nearest neighbor distance, that is 2r, this r and this r, that is equal to A, which is the edge. So the nearest neighbor distance, I will write it NND, just to save the time. Nearest neighbor distance D, it is equal to this AB, or which is equal to A. Now we know that A is equal to, this is R and this is R. So this A is equal to 2R. Therefore, R is equal to A by 2 for simple cubic unit cell. Number 2, now we are going to do it for the face centered. Now we are going to do it for the face centered cubic unit cell. Again we will draw the cubic unit cell just like this. Now as we know that in case of FCC, that is face centered cubic unit cell, one atom lies in the mid of the center or in the mid of the face, and one is at the corners, just like this. It is touching with the corners. So if you see the nearest neighbor distance between the nearest neighbor distance in case of FCC, that will be equal to ABC AC by 2, because it is this circle and this circle, this and this. Okay, so it will be nearest neighbor distance D for it is equal to AC by 2. Okay, this is a three-dimensional part, so you have to keep 3 dimensions in your mind. You have to keep a cube in your mind. This is in the face, and now you can see A. Here we can't predict it, here we can't see it, but it is right angle triangle. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, ABC, AC is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or A square plus A square, or it becomes 2A square, or AC is equal to under root 2A. Okay, so D is equal to how much? D is equal to under root 2 by 2A, or if I multiply under root 2 upwards and downwards, then it will become under root 2 into under root 2 upon 2 under root 2A, or it will become 2 and 2 will cut with 2, so it will become A by under root 2. So D is equal to A by under root 2. Okay. Now this is formed by the 2r, so D is equal to 2r. Therefore R is equal to D by 2. So R is equal to how much here? A by 2 under root 2. So this is the relationship. One relationship is that D is equal to d is equal to a by under root 2 and r is equal to a by 2 under root 2. There are two relationships which we have to keep in our mind. Now we are going to do it for the body centered cubic unit cell. In case of body centered cubic unit cell, we know that the atoms or spheres are present at the corners and in the center of the body. Okay, so if we draw a unit cell just like this, and suppose we are taking this triangle A, B, C, and here it is D. Then if we take body means here, it is here. Now keep in mind that the spheres which are touching here is one sphere is like this, other sphere is like this, and we are going to find this. So nearest neighbor distance, in short, that is D, it is equal to DC by 2. What is it? DC by 2. Because here the spheres of corners are not touching each other. You have to keep in mind. Here the spheres of this sphere and the body sphere and the corner sphere that is touching. Here we are writing it a smaller sphere because we can't just draw the picture in 2D. So that's why these pairs are larger in size, but these are not actual picture. Picture is that this pair and this pair all are equal in shape or equal in size. It is just only the 2D picture which I am drawing here. So now we see here it is A, here it is A, and we can find out the AC here. So AC square is equal to how much? It is AB square plus BC square in right angle triangle ABC. Okay. So AC is equal to how much? It will become equal to 2A. Okay. AC is equal to under root 2A. Now this is what is very important. You have to take this triangle here. ACD. This triangle ACD, and here in the picture we can't predict that it is a right angle triangle. But while you see in a cube, then you will see that this is a right angle triangle and this is the diagonal part. Okay. So in right angle triangle, what I am saying, ADC, DC square is equal to AC square plus AD square, and AD is also A because this is the edge length and edge of cubes are equal. Okay. So DC square is equal to AC square. What is AC? AC is under root 2A. So it becomes 2A square plus AD square. AD means A square. So how much it is? 3A square. So DC is equal to how much? Under root 3A. Okay. Again. So nearest distance D is equal to DC by 2. Again, this half of the sphere and this R. Okay. So it becomes 2R. So 2R is equal to D. Okay. Or it becomes equal to under root 3A by 2. Okay. So R is equal to D means under root 3A by 2. This is 2R. So R is equal to how much? R is equal to under root 3A by 4. Very, very important. So the relations for the BCC are D is equal to under root 3 by 2A and R is equal to under root 3 by 4A. So in this way we have find out the relationship between the nearest neighbor distance D edge of the unit cell and radius of the atom are for the pure elements.